I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Three UK to Ottawa, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Get your PSC code. Contact Three UK to request your porting authorization code PSC. You can do this via their customer service or through the Three app. Step 2. Choose your Ottawa plan. Visit the Ottawa website or a local store to select a plan that suits your needs. Make sure to have your PSC code handy when you sign up. Step 3. Provide your PSC code. When you sign up for your Ottawa plan, you will need to provide your PSC code. This allows Ottawa to initiate the number transfer from Three UK. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. Once you've submitted your PSC code, Ottawa will process the transfer. This usually takes up to 1 working day, but it can be quicker. Step 5. Confirm your number is active. After the transfer is complete, check that your number is working on your new Ottawa SIM. If you encounter issues, try restarting your phone. Switching your number can be a bit daunting, but following these steps should help you transition smoothly. Good luck with your new plan.